Mr. Hirano and Yuta Jingoji to appear and join Hidaki Takizawa's new office Tobe live broadcast. You are watching it live today. At the end of this video, we will share some video clips. Former King and Prince Sh Hirano 26, Yuta Jingoji 25 released the official YouTube of new office Tobe launched by Takizawa 41. Hirano, who appeared together, said to all the fans, "I have kept you waiting. I think so her promised." Jingoji called out, "I am happy to be able to meet everyone again on such a wonderful day. I hope to continue to show you wonderful scenery at a new place, so please support me." The two were somewhat nervous, but during the question and the answer session, Hirano blurted out, "Should I tell you my address?" Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube and Facebook.